Popular AI tools. Hello, my dear friends. I'm your buddy Mansi, and welcome to my podcast, Soaring in the World of AI. Today's a special day because we are diving into some tools and libraries that make the world of AI and machine learning easier and super fun. So, buckle up, open your hearts and minds, and let's embark on this exciting journey. To me, the world of AI feels like pure magic. Imagine a world where machines can think like us, learn like us, and even lend a helping hand. Whether it's a chatbot answering your questions or an app that looks at a photo and tells you if it's your adorable puppy or a cat. And guess what? All this is possible because of some amazing tools and libraries. Today, I'm going to tell you all about them in a way that's so simple and fun you won't get bored. Number 1. Python, the heart of AI. Let's start with Python, the superhero of the AI world. Python's magic lies in its simple syntax and huge community. It's like your favorite book, easy to read and always teaching you something new. I remember when I first started learning Python in college, my professor said, Mansi, if you want to master AI, Python will be your best friend. And he was so right. Whether you're coding for data analysis or building a machine learning model, Python makes everything a breeze. Why choose Python? Its code is so simple, it feels like writing a story. It has tons of libraries that speed up your work. Whether you're in a startup or doing research, Python fits everywhere. Pro tip: if you're new, try free Python courses on Codecademy or Coursera. Give it 2 to 3 weeks and you'll be ready to step into the AI world. Number 2. TensorFlow, Google's magic wand. Next up is TensorFlow, a powerful tool created by Google especially for deep learning. Deep learning is the magic that lets machines think like humans. Imagine uploading a photo and TensorFlow tells you if it's a beach, a mountain, or your cute little doggy. This happens with the help of neural networks and TensorFlow is a pro at building them. My story? Last year I built a chatbot using TensorFlow for a project. It answered my friends' questions and they were like, Mansi, this is amazing. TensorFlow also includes Keras, a tool that makes things even easier. Why TensorFlow? It supports CPU, GPU and TPU, perfect for image classification, text generation or building chatbots. With Keras, you can build models in minutes. Pro tip: check out the free tutorials on TensorFlow's website. Start with the TensorFlow for Beginners guide. Number 3. PyTorch, researchers' favorite. Now let's talk about PyTorch created by Meta. This tool wins the hearts of researchers and developers because it's so flexible. If TensorFlow is the strict school teacher, PyTorch is the cool one who gives you total creative freedom. My story? A friend used PyTorch to build a model that wrote Hindi poems. When I read them, I was blown away. The machine wrote poems that touched the heart. PyTorch's strength is its dynamic computation graphs, letting you tweak code on the go. Why PyTorch? Perfect for NLP models like transformers and GANs. Feels like coding in Python, so it's fun. Used in both research and production. Pro tip: find PyTorch tutorials on GitHub and YouTube. Try PyTorch Lightning to make your work even easier. Number 4. Scikit-learn, the basic spice of machine learning. If you want to learn traditional machine learning before diving into deep learning, Scikit-learn is your best friend. It's like that spice box in your kitchen that makes every dish delicious. A story I remember, a colleague used Scikit-learn to build a model that predicted what customers would buy online. It saved the company millions and he became an overnight star. Why Scikit-learn? Easy tools for classification, regression and clustering. Great for data pre-processing and model evaluation. It includes algorithms like logistic regression, decision trees and SVMs. Pro tip: check out free tutorials on Scikit-learn's official website. Start with the Iris dataset project. Number 5. OpenCV, the king of computer vision. Now let's talk about OpenCV, the ruler of the computer vision world. This tool is used for image and video processing, think facial recognition, object detection, or motion tracking. A fun story: a friend used OpenCV to build a smart mirror that scanned your face and told you how happy you looked. When I tried it, the mirror said, Mansi, you're super energetic, and I was dancing with joy. Why OpenCV? Perfect for image and video analysis, works with Python and C++, used for projects like facial recognition and object detection. Pro tip, find free OpenCV courses on YouTube. Start with the image processing with OpenCV tutorial. Number 6. NLTK and Spacy, the magic of language. If you want to work magic with language, NLTK and Spacy are for you. These tools are built for natural language processing. I used NLTK for a project that analyzed the sentiment of tweets on Twitter. I could tell if people were happy, angry, or sad about a topic. It was so fun that I coded all night. Why NLTK? Great for basic NLP tasks like tokenization, stemming, and lemmatization. Helps with language processing and analysis. Why Spacy? Faster and industry grade compared to NLTK. Used for chatbots and voice assistants. Pro tip, try the NLP with Spacy course on Spacy's official website. Number 7. Keras, the easy path to deep learning. Finally, let's talk about Keras, a part of TensorFlow that makes deep learning so simple, even kids could build models. Why Keras? Intuitive API that makes coding fun, perfect for prototyping, helps build neural networks quickly. Pro tip, start with the MNIST dataset project for handwriting recognition. Practical ideas. So you're probably thinking, Mansi, this is great, but how do I start? Here are some practical ideas. 1. Build small projects. Create a sentiment analysis model for tweets using scikit-learn or NLTK. 2. Try image projects. Use OpenCV to build a photo editor that auto-brightens images. 3. Make a chatbot. Use TensorFlow or PyTorch to create a simple chatbot that answers your friends' questions. 4. Learn online. Use free datasets and tutorials on Kaggle and Google Colab. 5. Join communities. Join AI groups on GitHub and Reddit to ask questions. Friends, the AI world is so vast and exciting that there's something new to learn every day. For me, it's like a dream, and I want you to be part of it too. Take one small step and watch how these tools turn your ideas into reality. So, my lovely listeners, if you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more fun and inspiring episodes. Tell your friends, and let's make the AI world even more colorful together. Until next time, lots of love and energy. Bye. Take care.